Today's recipe is the water lily. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender. Let's get into this recipe. This is the water lily. The water lily was created by Richard Boccato in 2007 during his time at Little Branch in New York City. Richard was Sasha Petrosky's business partner in the pioneering Queen's bar Dutch Kills. He created the drink for Sasha's wife, Georgette, who asked him for something containing violet syrup and gin. The gin I'm using in today's drink is Drumshanbo Gunpowder Irish Gin, but any London dry gin would do here. And the other spirit in today's drink is Cointreau. We're going to start off with 3/4 of an ounce of our gin, 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, 3/4 of an ounce of our violet syrup. We're using Monin today, and 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add ice to your shaker, and we're going to shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Now, I don't know if you can see, but my water lily is more of a sort of blue, sort of grey sort of colour. In Steve's book, it looks more purple. But in saying that, my violet Monin syrup has been sitting in my cupboard for about a year, so that may have something to do with it. But I quite like the colour of this. What do you think? It's kind of neat. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Nice. Obviously, it's very similar to the aviation cocktail, if you've ever had that. But this is a bit more interesting. This is a lot more balanced than the aviation. It's floral, but the gin still comes through. The Cointreau gives it a little orange zing, I guess we'll say. Very tasty little cocktail, this one. Give this one a try, folks. The water lily.